Hi there, this is Fixed It. My Toyota Auris hybrid battery has died. I used it about a week ago, but during lockdown it hasn't had very much use at all, and it's a bit of a problem because I wanted to go out and do something this afternoon. However, it gives me a chance to try out this 20,000 milliamp hours power cell that I bought for powering my Celestron Go-To telescope. It's fully charged, so what I need to do now is to go and find some appropriate points to connect it to the battery and the chassis. The car's completely dead, so let's pop the hood, pop the bonnet. What I'm amazed at is that the alarm system didn't go off. In my old cars, as the battery started to go down, the alarm would start wailing, which would be a bit of a pain, but at least it'd give you some sort of indication that there's a dead battery in process. Unlike a conventional car, with the Toyota Auris hybrid, there's no battery in the front of the car. So what I've done is I've taken the cover off the fuse box, which is to the right hand side of this car, and there's this red clip here, and if you lift it up you can see it exposes a metal bar. So what I need to do is to attach the positive to there and then the negative to some metal on the chassis, and that's a clean piece of metal, and so I'll do that and then fire it up and see if it works. Hopefully not literally. So the positive's there, the negative is here. There's the battery unit. So what I'm going to do now is to press the button and then pop into the car and see if it'll switch on. I'm hoping it'll start immediately. If not, I may have to leave it on there for a while just to charge the battery up a little bit. It would be fantastic if it just starts, because obviously this is a really good thing to have in the car. If it does start it straight away. Let's press the button. Blue light's on. I also switched on the little LED light because it was difficult to see if it was staying on after a few seconds as the blue lights would go out. It took me under 10 minutes to find the meter and the appropriate clips to clip onto the chassis. When I got back, I got in the car, put my foot on the brake and started it. Amazingly, it started first time. The battery thing had got up to 10.9 on its own, and right down and turn it off. I think it's fair to say it's an absolute lifesaver. Having one of these in your car is going to be really useful. I'm actually going to pick up another one for the wife's car and just keep it trickle charged. That was amazing. That, I was getting ready to think that I needed to go and get the trickle charger and put it on trickle charge for hours. As normally happens on a hybrid, every so often the petrol engine cuts out and it basically just goes to electric drive, so the electric battery is charged. The electric is running the alternator to charge the smaller battery that it has to start the car. And the interesting thing is, if we go in here, is that despite being apparently dead, the battery is charged, so obviously there must be some small auxiliary battery that's used in order to start the thing, but as you can see it's really charging the battery up here and it's using the battery, and they say basically leave it like this for an hour or so to make sure everything's back up to full power. But I'm really pleased, and obviously want to try and do it as soon as possible once I realise the battery is dead, because the things with these lithium batteries is once they get below a certain level they become damaged, so the small amount of time that this one was off hopefully hasn't damaged the battery, but that appears to be good. So now I'm just going to leave it doing its thing and close the bonnet, close the hood. Hopefully in an hour or so it'll be good to go. Actually, I noticed even though the petrol engine kept cutting in, the battery level was dropping down, so I decided to turn the car off and then take it out for a 40-minute drive after recharging the power block so I could take it with me in the car. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you do, and check out my other money saving tips. Thanks for watching.